In Van Nuys, a car wash owner has filed a $50 million civil rights claim after being arrested and injured during an immigration raid at his business. The 79-year-old U.S. citizen was slammed to the ground by federal agents. Eyewitness News reporter Leo Stallworth is live in Van Nuys with what that owner is saying today. Leo?
Hey, my friend, we're just outside of the owner's car wash here in Van Nuys. He and his attorney held a news conference just a short while ago, and the owner spoke to us, but he did it in a lot of pain. Here's more. Surveillance video shows federal agents body slamming 79-year-old American citizen Rafie Shouhed just outside of his car wash in Van Nuys roughly 2 weeks ago. This after Rafie says agents stormed into his business and roughed him up after he attempted to ask what they needed. He says upon making it outside, the agents pummeled him again.
I have a heart condition. 3 big people were sitting on my back, the way they tore me down, sitting on me, and I asked them to let me go, which they absolutely would not pay no attention.
Rafie says he was terrified as he tried to explain to the agents that his employees were authorized to be on the job. Yet he says they took at least 5 of his employees away in handcuffs. He says he screamed that he is an American citizen and had proof in his wallet, but he says his pleas fell on deaf ears.
The only word they say, you do not F with ICE, you do not F with ICE, you do not F with ICE.
Rafie says he suffered multiple broken ribs, damage to his brain from being slammed head first into the ground, and deep bruising and swelling to his arms from being restrained. He was detained at a federal detention center for nearly a dozen hours before finally being released, his family taking him to the hospital, his lawyer filing a civil rights claim seeking $50 million in damages.
ICE and DHS violated their policies that day. They violated the United States Constitution, and they violated California state law. And we feel very confident that we're going to be able to achieve justice for Rafie Shouhed in a court of law.
I have broken ribs, I guess.
His wife in utter tears.
Even know where he was for hours, and with his heart condition and the stents, they could have very easily caused his death.
You're in tears.
Yeah, why not be? It's very hurtful.
We reached out to federal officials and have yet to hear back from them. Live in Van Nuys, Leo Stallworth, ABC7 Eyewitness News.